Hello everyone. We are solving the question which is from AIPMT 2012. The question is saying to us, what is the flux through a cube of side A if a point charge Q is at one of its corner, so that one of the cube is placed, and the question is saying to us a q charge which is maybe in spherical shape. Okay, so this spherical shaped charge is placed at one of the corner. The question is asking us that what is the flux which is passing through from this cube. So for the calculation part, we have to understand that how would the flux will be passed from this q charge which is placed at the corner. Firstly, we have to understand that this q charge will emit the flux in radial way. Okay, so a big spherical region of flux will be produced by this q charge. Okay, now according to the Gauss law says us that flux which is phi is always charged enclosed upon epsilon naught. Okay, now if this is charge enclosed, we can say it like enclosed. Okay, so this is charge enclosed inside a closed loop or closed volume. If this charge is q is charge enclosed, so we have to calculate what is charge enclosed in this cube. So we can consider here like this. If this is our sphere, the 1/8 part of this cube will covering the 1/8 part of this charge. Okay, so the volume or the charge will be enclosed will be q by 8. Okay, now for the flux calculation, we can write it like charge enclosed which is q by 8 and epsilon naught will be remain same. So the flux passing through this cube only would be q by 8 epsilon naught. So the flux passing through from this cube is q by 8 epsilon naught, which is mentioned at option B. So option B is correct. Thank you.